Troubleshooting an LG air conditioner remote control that is not working. If your LG air conditioner's remote control is not working, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take to diagnose and resolve the problem. Let's begin. First, verify that the air conditioner has power by turning it on at the control panel. If it will not power on, you will need to troubleshoot for no power. For that, please refer to the video linked in the description. If the unit powers on via the control panel, power it off, move in close to the air conditioner, point the remote at the IR sensor, and try to power the unit on again. If the unit turns on now, then the remote's batteries have become weak. Replace the batteries in the remote control with the recommended type. Please refer to the product owner's manual for battery information, and make sure there are no obstructions between the remote control and the air conditioner. Also, note that strong fluorescent lighting can affect the strength of the IR signal from the remote control. Turn the room lights off, then test the remote again. If there is strong fluorescent lighting present, you may need to reduce the wattage of the bulbs. If you have performed all of these troubleshooting steps and the remote control is still not working, the remote will need to be replaced. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.